Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Methodian Seller of Methocean. In this video, we are going to discuss a question of sum of series asked in IIT JEE Main 7 January 52 2020. The question is, let 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9 plus 13 plus 14 plus 18 up to 40 terms is equals to S. If S is equals to 102 multiplied by M, then M is equals to what? The options are A 20, B 25, C 10 and D 5. Let's solve it. Here given that S40 is equals to 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9 plus 13 plus 14 plus 18 up to 40 terms. Also given that sum of this series is 102 multiplied by M. Say it equation 1. At first sight, it seems there is neither arithmetic progress nor geometric progress in this series. But by observing carefully, we get 3 plus 4 which gives 7, 8 plus 9 which gives 17, 13 plus 14 which gives 27. So we get S20 is equals to 7 plus 17 plus 27 up to 20 terms. Here we have taken pair of two terms which give us series of 20 terms. This series is in arithmetic progress with common difference 10. Now the sum of n terms of arithmetic series is given by Sn is equals to n by 2 multiplied by into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Set equation 3, where a is equals to first term of series, n is equals to total number of terms in series, and d is equals to common difference. From equation 2, we have S20 is equals to 7 plus 17 plus 27 up to 20 terms, which gives a is equals to 7, n is equals to 20 and d is equals to 10. Now putting these values in equation 3, we get S20 is equals to 20 upon 2 multiplied by into bracket 2 into 7 plus 20 minus 1 into 10, which gives S20 is equals to 10 multiplied by into bracket 14 plus 19 into 10. That implies S20 is equals to 10 into 204. Set equation 4. But from equation 1, we have S is equals to S20 is equals to 102 multiplied by M. So by comparing it with equation 4, we have 102 multiplied by M is equals to 10 into 204. That implies M is equals to 10 into 2, which gives M is equals to 20. So option A is correct. Let's practice. Let 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 up to 60 terms equals to S. If S is equals to 3 into L, then find L is equals to what? Thank you. Join us at different platforms and become the Methodian.